Welcome back to another camera channel. Today is a very quick update about the OLPF filters from Rawlite for Blackmagic cameras. If you watched my last video on these OLPF filters, you'll know that they help cut down moire and solve unwanted IR pollution issues. And everything was great apart from just one thing. This funky red dot pattern that you'd get if you pointed the camera towards any very harsh light sources like the sun, or when you got really close up to the lens like in this example where I'm using the iPhone flashlight. Well, I'm happy to announce that Rawlite saw my video and they got in contact and they've actually solved the issue and they've come out with a version 2 of the filters and they're actually shipping them right now. So if you were holding back on a purchase just because of that red dot issue, now's the time to order. And here's some test footage to prove it. Here's without the filter. Here's with the original filter. And here's with the version 2 filter. And once again with the iPhone torch, no filter. With the original filter. And with the V2 filter. The moire fixing and IR cut capabilities are exactly the same across the two filters, but without the pesky red dot problem that we had before. And Rawlite actually told me this is actually a common thing with some camera sensors, as per this article. You can see that it's plagued other camera brands like Red with their OLPF filters. So obviously this is really great news that this issue has been fixed, and I'm going to be replacing all of my filters that I currently have to the new version 2 model. One thing I did notice is there is a bit more of a color shift now, more to the magenta side. But as I had already been experiencing color shifts anyway, and we get color shifts by using different lenses, different brands of lenses, and even the same sensors within the same types of cameras, I was kind of used to this anyway. So yeah, that was a quick update. I hope it's useful for you. Lots of people watched the last video and were definitely turned away from getting one of these filters, but I stand by these are really great. And I really didn't actually notice that red dot problem a lot because I wasn't really pointing the camera towards the sun a lot. And I found out that using some ND filters actually already solved the issue. So if you want to pick one of these filters up, the link will be in the description box below. It's not a sponsored video. I don't get any kickback if you do buy the product, but I think it is genuinely a great product. So go get one if you want. I hope this update was helpful and I'll see you in the next video.